I'm Amber from Japan Logistics, a freight forwarder that provides professional services. We have extensive experience in air and sea freight in Dubai. Let's talk about this magical city, Dubai. Does this image come to mind when people talk about it? However, Dubai is much more than that. As one of our double clearance test lines to door countries, there is a very strategic location in Dubai. Dubai Port is the second largest port in the Middle East, and its general tariff exemption and free trade economy make Dubai the largest wholesale trade market for transshipment to Africa and neighboring coastal countries. Dubai is closely with traders from nearly 30 countries in Africa, who are always buying daily necessities like industry, electric appliances, garments, and other goods, with huge demand, making the transaction volume grow significantly. Our company also benefits from this, with an average of 5 to 6 containers to Dubai every week. What do we need to be aware of when dealing with Dubai people? First, you need to learn about the local customs and traditions of Dubai. During Ramadan, the 9th month of Islamic calendar, drinking, smoking, and eating in public places and on the street is not allowed after sunrise and before sunset. Most local restaurants are closed during this time. In addition, the Emirates are Islamic, and there are strict restrictions on pork and alcohol beverage, as well as a taboo against people putting their feet at them. Next, the weekends in Dubai are different. The days off in Dubai are Fridays and Saturdays, and all public office, companies, and institutions are closed. Shopping malls are also more crowded. Last but not least, most of the UAE buyers are experienced in foreign trade and often ask for multiple quotations and compare prices. They love to have samples to check out, so do not neglect the quality of the samples. If you want to know more about Dubai, the following websites are relevant. The purchasing power of Dubai market is very strong, and its potential is also very huge. China is the world's first line industry, electric appliances, clothing, and other products, still occupy the whole Dubai market with absolute advantage. With the concept of moving your products across all borders, better solution to better you. Japan Logistics has a dedicated air and sea freight line to Dubai, with favorable prices, fast efficiency, and one-stop service to door. We hope to contribute the international trade from China to Dubai. That's all for today's introduction to Dubai. Welcome to subscribe our channel. We will update the industry information occasionally. Welcome to inquiries. See you next time.